Hello and welcome. Right in this video, I will show you how to create a smart link for your upcoming event so that you can send people to the right page depending on the time they click on the link. Let's say, for example, you have an upcoming event in the next 15 days and you want to start promoting it on your social media page and your email list. So when you start promoting it, you want to start sending links to them so that they can start clicking on the link to see exactly what you have for them in the upcoming event. Now, it doesn't make sense for you to start sending different type of link to them. Instead, you want to start sending one single link to them, and this link will be sending them to the appropriate page depending on the time they click on it. And that is exactly what I want to show you right in this video. So I will go ahead and go to the back end of my website. So right in the back end of my website, I have this plugin right here, and this plugin, I want to use it to generate the link that I'll be using for the promotion. So now I have 3 pages right here, and I've customized the 3 pages specifically for this demonstration. Let's say this is the pre-event page, and in this pre-event page, I want to give them information relating to the upcoming event, and I can also set something to them depending on how I want it. So right here, I will be sending people to this page before the event. Now let's say this particular page is the event page, and this is where I want to give them the right information during the event. It could be a special promotion for a specific day, or it could be a training, and it could be anything else. Now this is the page for that particular event, and after the event, let's say this is the page for successful event, or anyone coming after the event has been completed. So I have 3 pages for this demonstration. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be generating a smart link that will send people to each of the page depending on when they click on the link. And this can be very helpful if you are going to be promoting this upcoming event on your social media page or your email list. So now that I'm back in the admin area, what I will do is I will first of all give it a name. And this is very important because this is the name that it will be seen on the link. Let's say Google Ads Training Ads Event. I've given it a name. So if I want to customize the URL, I mean the slug, I can do that right here. But if I don't want to do that, I can leave it open right here so that this particular plugin will generate the URL using the name of the event. So right now, I'll go to the next step. I have some labels right here that I can apply to this particular smart link, and this is very important, especially if you are going to be having a lot of links in the plugin. Now I can go ahead and click on it to see the available labels right here. Let's say webinar. I can select that. I can go to the next step. I've selected it. I can close it again. I go to the next step. I have other options available right here, but I will not be working with all of these options. I will go straight to the next step. So the next step right here is the fallback URL. Now the fallback URL is where I want people to see during the event. Now you have to understand this. The fallback URL in this case is the URL that people will be seeing during the scheduled period. And in this case, this is going to be the URL. So I will copy this link. I will go ahead and paste it right here, right in the fallback URL. That is the first thing. The next thing now is we want to schedule this particular event. So right for this particular schedule option, we have additional 2 input. One is after expiration and another one is before expiration. So let's go ahead and put this one right here. That is the pre-event link. We're going to be putting it before expiration right here. We paste it here. And the next one, which is the after expiration, this one right here, that is the congratulations. We're going to be putting it in the after expiration input right here. So we paste it right here. So what I have just done is that I want to promote this event right here, and I want to use the smart link to promote it. So with the smart link, if the time is the exact period I want the event to take place, whoever click on the smart link will be directed to this page. But if the time is not yet when the event will be live, whoever click on the link will be taken to this page. However, if anyone clicks on the link after the event has been completed, they will be taken to this page. So I have 3 pages for the event. All of them have been customized, and the smart link will be taking users to each of the page depending on the time they click on the link. So now let's select the time for this particular schedule. So let's say the start period is on the 25th and then it ends on maybe 30th. So that has been confirmed. Now you can see the start period is 25th 9 2025 and then the end period is 30th 9 2025. So I have configured that. Now after this, I can go ahead and set this to maybe 30 days. So when I do that, it will take these days into consideration because I've set 25th to 30th. So I don't want the smart link to be expired before the scheduled period. So I can go ahead and make sure that I enter sufficient days in the expiration rule. So now that I've done that, I will go ahead and click on save. I have other options that I use for different purposes, but I'm not going to be talking about all of those options right in this video. So what I will do now is I'll click on generate link. So right now I have been able to generate the smart link. So you can see this is the smart link right here. So when I click on it, it is automatically selected. So I can copy it. Now let's go to the browser right here. And then let's see what will happen if I click on the link. You remember the link is configured to run between 25th and 30th of this month. So let's go ahead and paste the link right here and see where it's going to take us to when we click on enter. So I paste the link. Now let's click on enter. So the link will take us to a page before the event. So you can see right now, it takes us to the pre-event page. And that is the page you are seeing right here. This is the pre-event page. So if I go ahead and click on edit, this is the link before the event. And this is the link after the event. But this is the link for the event, which means that anyone who clicks on this link between 25th 9 2025 and 30th 9 2025, they are going to be taken to this page right here. But if they click on the link maybe on October, they're going to be taken to this page. But anyone who clicks on the link between now and 25th, they are going to be taken to this page. And the reason why I'm seeing this particular page right now is because I am clicking on it on 19th of September 2025. So with this smart link, I can start promoting the event. So people can start clicking on it and I can configure each of the page to do exactly what I want it to do before the event or after the event. So this is how you can generate a smart link for your upcoming event. So you don't need to start sharing multiple links to users. When you generate this type of link, you can start using it to promote your upcoming event. And the interesting thing again is that you can start seeing when people click on the link using the analytics feature of this plugin. For example, now I've clicked on it once and you can see it right here once. So if I go ahead and click on the analytics, I will be able to see the information about the clicks. You can see one click and you can see it right here is one click. So you can start seeing the clicks pattern over a period of 30 days right on the analytic page. You can see this is the link I was able to click pre-event, and you can see right here I click on desktop and then I use a Microsoft Edge browser, and this is the referral. There's no conversion. If I am tracking conversion, I will also be able to see conversion from each of the click on the link. So this is how you can generate smart link for your upcoming event using this particular plugin you are seeing right on my screen, expire link redirection. That is what I have for you right in this video. You can start using this plugin to create a smart link for your upcoming event, and a lot more features are available in the plugin. Thanks again for watching the video and see you in another video.